Austin Buhner is expected to give an update, also to respond to the union's demands later this morning. And in just hours, jury selection is set to begin in the murder trial of Derek Chauvin.
The former Minneapolis police officer pinned George Floyd to the ground, his knee across his neck for more than 8 minutes before he died. NBC's Jay Gray is live this morning outside of the courthouse as this high-profile case gets underway. Jay, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Adrian. Good morning, Danielle. And look, we've already got a handful of people out and in front of the courthouse right now. We expect even more to gather as the day moves forward. We've seen large crowds in the downtown area throughout the weekend, making demands for justice as the nation turns its attention once again to what happened here last summer.
Anger, frustration, and calls for justice echo through downtown Minneapolis.
All right, what's your name?
George.
George?
George Perry Floyd.
287 days after George Floyd died, his neck pinned under the knee of Derek Chauvin.
It's never okay to hurt somebody like that. We shouldn't have to go to court for anything like this. We shouldn't have to.
But today, they will be in this courtroom as jury selection begins in the murder trial of the former police officer.
The goal should be is that there's a cross-section of jurors that's representative of different political viewpoints, different races, different genders, and then that promotes a confidence. So I think taking jury selection seriously in this case is critical for the entire country.
In a city that still has open wounds from riots after Floyd's death and worries about what could happen as the trial moves forward. Fencing and razor wires been put up, buildings downtown boarded up. Not police safe for planned peaceful protest, but others joining the expected crowds outside the courthouse.
They seek to cause destruction and chaos in our city by using peaceful protesters as cover, by using them as a shield.
Law enforcement from at least a dozen agencies, all recently trained in nonviolent conflict resolution, will be on the ground through the verdict in this high-profile case.
Yeah, and look, that group includes local and state police along with federal agents and about 2,000 soldiers from the National Guard. Danielle, Adrian, we've already seen some of those troops behind the fence patrolling here at the courthouse this morning.
Jay, thank you.
All right, 5:07 right now. We're going to switch gears and check in with meteorologist Belén